welcome to week 1 of my mini data platform build. This week we are looking at the foundations of a data platform, which is of course storage. So I've gone ahead and I've created an Azure storage account which is going to hold my data lake. My data lake is the Azure Data Lake Generation 2, which means it has hierarchical namespace, which means I can have main folders and then subfolders underneath them, which is super useful for file organization. I have got a 3-tiered data lake structure. I've got a bronze level for my raw data, which is unprocessed and pretty much exactly as it came from the NHS website. I've got my silver layer, which is where my data is going to go after it's had a little bit of cleaning and a little bit of processing done to it. And then I've got my gold layer, which is where my fully processed, fully kitted out data, including the results of my machine learning models, is going to go before I put it directly into a PowerBI report. So, as you can see, we've already configured this. All of the files have also been uploaded into these different subfolders inside the bronze data storage layer. And as you can see, there are a load of CSV files, basically. Some of them are really big individual files, and some of them are loads and loads of little mini files. This data is completely unprocessed. I haven't done anything to it yet, and NHS data can be a little bit of a mess. So I am going to be cleaning it, I'm going to be reformatting it, I'm going to be creating new structures from this data using Azure Synapse, specifically pipelines and notebooks, and I'm going to do that next week. So this data lake is going to attach directly to Azure Synapse, which is going to make it super easy to integrate. I'm going to show you how to do that next week. Thank you for joining me as we tour this first step into our data platform build. I'm really looking forward to finishing this project and sharing it with you. I think the mysteries of the cloud should be shared, and we should talk about how these things happen in the background rather than just showing the shiny Power BI reports, as exciting as they are. So join me next week as I start the engineering process.